Dear students, today we are going to study chapter number 2 of class 7, which is named as frictions. Now, what is friction? Frictions means the part of whole is known as friction. For example, 9 upon 10, that means 9 part of 10, the whole is 10 and 9 is friction. That means we can say in overall 9 upon 10 is friction. In general form, we can express the friction as A upon B, where A is numerator and B is denominator. Numerator upon denominator. For example, 2 upon 5, 1 upon 3, 0 upon 5, 7 upon 15. These are the fractions. Fractions means part of whole, means whole part is 5 and 2 part is fraction. That means we can say 2 upon 5 is a fraction. Now, we need to study the types of fractions. Types of fractions. The first one is proper fraction. Proper fraction. Simply we can say a fraction in which numerator is smaller than denominator. We can learn directly numerator is smaller than denominator, then that fraction is proper fraction. For example, 2 upon 9, 3 upon 7, 12 upon 29, etc. And improper fraction. A fraction which is not a proper fraction. That means in this fraction the denominator is smaller than numerator. That means we can say numerator is greater than denominator. Then we can say the given fraction is improper fraction. For example, 7 upon 5, 29 upon 17, 17 upon 13, etc. Now, third type of fraction is like fractions. Like fractions, that means the fractions in which denominators are same are like fractions. When denominator are same of fractions, then fractions are known as like fractions. For example, 7 upon 12, 5 upon 12, 11 upon 12, etc. And unlike fractions. Unlike fractions, that means which fractions are not like fractions are known as unlike fraction. That means fractions with different denominators. Denominators are different. Then we can say the given fraction is unlike fraction. For example, 2 upon 3, 4 upon 5, 11 upon 13, 7 upon 8, etc. Now, unit fraction. Unit fraction, that means a fraction having numerator is 1 is called unit fraction, in which fraction numerator is 1. For example, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 7, etc. are known as unit fractions. Now, next one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, that means a fraction obtained by improper fraction, or the combination of whole number and a proper fraction is combination of whole number and proper fraction is mixed fraction. For example, 3 and half. In this fraction, 3 is integral part. Okay, integral part is integral part or whole part. It is whole number. And another one is fractional part or proper fraction. Now, simplest form of fractions. Simplest form of fractions: if numerator and denominator of a fraction have no common factor other than 1, then the fraction is said to be in its simplest form. In other words, we can say the numerator and denominators cannot be cut by any number or table. In this situation, we can see the fractions just like 3 upon 5. Here, no any common factor of 3 and 5 except 1. 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 3 upon 7, 12 upon 13, etc. Simplest form, that means the numerator and denominator are different, which cannot be cut by any table or number. Now, equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions, that means a fraction obtained by multiplying numerator and denominator by same numbers. For example, we have a fraction a upon b, which is multiplied by a multiply m, b multiply m. For example, 2 upon 3 equals to, we can say 2 multi 3 upon 3 multi 3. It is equals to 2 3 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. Again we can say 2 upon 3 equals to 2 upon 3 multiply 4 multiplied by 4. That means 2 4 ja 8, 3 4 ja 12. 2 upon 3 can be written as multiplied by 4, 5 2 ja 10, 3 5 ja 15. That means, in other words, we can say fractions are known as equivalent fractions if by cutting any table, by dividing any table, numerator and denominator, and the answer in simplest form is same, then these fractions are equivalent fractions. It is very simple. Okay dear students, in the next video we'll discuss about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions, how to represent a fraction in the figures, that means diagrams, and how to write given diagrams in the form of fractions. Keep watching the videos and continue your study. Thanks for watching.